Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this video, I am going to explain about the nature of organizational behavior. So nature reflects the characteristics, the separate field of the study and not a discipline. An interdisciplinary approach is needed. Applied science is one of the nature of the organization behavior. Studies about the normative science and it is also a systematic approach and it is a predictive human behavior and it has a many other characteristics which we are going to see the important characteristics and nature of the organization behavior. Interdisciplinary OB is a separate field of study that uses concepts from multidisciplinary include psychology, sociology, political science, economical and management minimum. Then it plays all the vital roles. The dynamic approaches, like not a static and human behavior is constantly changes. So it is a predictive. OB attempts to predict the how employee will behave in the future or in a specific situations. So when we understand the behavior of the human in the workplace, we can handle the people very easily and we can run and we can move forwards in a positive directions. Social factors are more important than the physical environmental in the terms of productivity. For example, employees are more productive when they get the along with their co-workers and feel appreciation by their bosses. Like when they feel satisfaction towards their job, they try to stay back and they show the continuous improvement in the work. So that's a spirit of the employee to take the organization to the next level. So social factors plays a very important role. The theoretical concept. OB is based on a body of the theory, right? Research and applications. So research is a most important concept. What we are doing and what to be done in future to sustain to stay back in the society. So, to survive in the society, it is the most important application for a theoretical aspects. Like we'll see the managerial characteristics. OB helps to managers to solve human problems in organizations by providing the rational thinking about the people. Managers can develop strategies and techniques to deal with the employee in dynamic behavior. So when we satisfy with the managers behavior in the organization, they workplace as well as the workers co-workers will feel happy continuing in the same organizations. So, the most important aspects in any organization to make sure that how the employee as well as the uh, co-workers management is reacting with each other. In this, how the individual and the group behave within the organization setting. It examines the impact of organizational structure, culture, and process on the human behavior at work. OB explores various factors influencing behavior of the employees, like such as leadership styles, communication pattern, decision making processes, and team dynamics. By understanding OB in organizations can enhance the productivity, employee satisfaction, and overall effectiveness. Key area of focuses includes the motivation, job satisfaction, organizational commitment, and employee well-being. OB draws from psychology, sociology, management theory, economical concept to provide the insight into the why people behave as they do in organizations. and how these behaviors can be managed and improved for the benefit of the both individuals and the organizations as a whole. So these concepts will have a positive impacts for changing the organization in a right path. Thank you.